Hello sweetie, welcome back. Today I share with you how to make delicious BOFROT. You can as well call it buff buff, just easy and tasty. To begin, we are going to be adding warm water in the bowl, the same time adding sugar, then adding dry yeast, and get that covered for 10 minutes. 10 minutes of covering, this is what it look like, so you have to get that to ferment like this. So over here I'll be adding 3 cups of all-purpose flour, then adding sugar, the same time adding nutmeg, then add milk powder, and then adding salt to taste, and get everything mixed together. Mix until everything get combined like this, then step it aside. On this bowl I'll be adding 1 egg, then whisk everything together until it's okay like this. So now I will turn that inside the dry ingredient, then adding melted butter, then adding the mixture, the yeast. So I'll just add everything together and get everything stirred together. I'll just take my spatula and get that mixed very well. I'll be leaving the names of the exact and accurate measurement of the ingredients I use in this cream, so take note of it. Thank you. So all I is to give that a very good mix. At this point you don't need to add in water, you don't need to add in everything, just be mixing until everything is okay. All you have to do is to add in some flour if you see that it's just too soft, and it don't have to be that strong. So now I'm done mixing. It looks so nice. At this point it's okay. All I do now is to take my cutter and give that cutting size. So I'll be cutting that little biteable size, just the size is going to allow me to fry. So each one is going to go for each fry. So now I will just tight that a very tight ball side like this. So I just use my hand to tight it very well, and after that I will do the rest of it like this. Have you shared this video yet? As far as you be Africa, you like to eat anything snacks, this is the right snacks for you to enjoy. Your kids are going to love this snacks when you get it done for them. So try this by yourself, you are going to love it. Now I'm going to cover that to get rest for 30 minutes until it gets doubled. So 30 minutes later it has doubled its size. So all I do now is to get that fried with hot oil. You fry with oil, guys, you don't need oven to fry this, so this is going to get fried with hot oil. I'm going to fry that twice. I first of all add the seeds. So after the seeds get fried, I will get them out from the hot heat, then fry the remaining seeds, because I make 12 BOFROT. So that is just it. At this point, this particular first batch has been fried. I will just take out from the heat, so it fries so nice, and I love the color. So look at that. Oh my gosh, this is just so delicious. If you just chop one of this, you are going to focus on your day. Just enjoy. So now I'm going to fry the remaining seeds, and then just like this is fried. At the same time I'm going to bring it out from the hot oil. This is just the best way to enjoy your BOFROT, guys. This is just the best way to get this. Enjoy. You are going to love this when you try this out. It's just so soft, so delicious, and so mouth watering. You can't even eat one and not look for another. So you are going to eat 5 pieces of this, you don't even know that you have done eating 5. It was just so delicious. Share this video and get this out for yourself. Go and try this. Look at that. See how as in it just whoop everywhere, just me boko. Speaking, guys, all right, try to share this and try this by yourself. You are going to love it. I love you guys. In my next one, bye.